Welcome back, students. In this session, we will discuss matrix multiplication. Suppose matrix A of order m by n and one more matrix B of order n cross B. Suppose we want product of these two matrices equal to AB. Product of A and B is denoted with AB. Now, matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication is possible only when number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Once again, matrix multiplication means AB is possible only when number of columns in matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B, then only AB is possible. In generally, matrix multiplication is possible only when number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. In this case, clearly number of columns in first matrix is n and number of rows in second matrix is n, means matrix multiplication is possible. And resultant matrix of order m cross p, AB of order m cross p, order of A into B is m cross p. Suppose matrix A of order 2 divided by 3 and matrix B of order 3 divided by 4. Whether AB is possible or not possible? Clearly A into B is possible. Why? Because number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. So matrix multiplication is possible. Then what is order of AB? Resultant matrix of order 3 cross 4. Matrix AB of order 3 divided by 4. Sorry, 2 divided by 4 it is. Matrix AB, it is also a matrix. Its order is 2 cross 4. Suppose matrix A of order 3 cross 1, matrix B of order 1 cross 4. Whether AB is possible or not possible? Clearly A into B is possible. Why? Because number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Hence AB is possible. Then what is order of AB? Order of AB is clearly 3 by 4. Order of A into B is 3 cross 4. Matrix multiplication possible only when number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Suppose order of A is 3 by 2, order of B is 4 by 3. In this case, A into B is not defined. In this case, AB is not possible. Means matrix multiplication is not possible in this case. Why? Because number of columns in first matrix is 2, number of rows in second matrix is 4. Clearly 2 is not equal to 4, so matrix multiplication is not possible. Now, what is AB? Means product of two matrices. I will take one example. Matrix A 1 2 3 1. Matrix A. One more matrix B, that is 1 0 4 1. Now I will find A into B. A into B. A into B. Clearly product A into B means AB is possible. Why? Because order of A is 2 by 2, order of B is 2 by 2. Means number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix, means AB is possible. Now, how to find A into B? Means how to find product of two matrices. Procedure 1 2 3 1 into second matrix. Simply replace matrix A and matrix B. 0, 4, 1. Then A into B equal to, what is A into B? A into B is also a matrix. A11 element of AB is obtained by multiplying first row first column. A11 element of AB is obtained by multiplying first row with first column. I will write here. A11 of AB is obtained by multiplying first row first column. What is first row? 1, 2. A11 element is obtained by multiplying first row with first column. First row with first column. First column is 1, 4. First row first column, it gives first element, that is A11. Next, first row with second column gives A12 element. Its position is A11, it is A12. First row first column, it gives A11 element. First row second column gives A12 element. A12, we need A12 means multiplying first row with second column. A12 means multiplying first row with second column. The sum of products of elements of first row with corresponding elements of second column. Next, first row. What is our first row? First row is 1, 2. First row with second column. First row first column gives A11 element. First row second column gives A12 element. That is 0, 1. After that, second row first column gives A21 element. We need A21 element. Its position is 2, 1. 2, 1 means second row first column element. A21, we need A21 means multiply second row with first column. What is second row? 3, 1. 3, 1. We need A21 element. 2, 1 means multiply second row with first column. Second row with first column. What is first column? First column is 1, 4. After that, next element is 2, 2. The name itself suggests 2, 2 means second row second column. 2, 2 means second row second column. Second row second column. That is 3, 1. What is second column? Second column is 0, 1. First row with first column, it gives A11 element. First row with second column gives A12 element. Second row first column gives 21 element, A21. Second row second column gives 22 element. Now AB is equal to the sum of products of elements of, in generally, ith row with corresponding elements of jth column. I will write it. A11. A11 means A11. We need A11 of AB. A11 of AB means the sum of products of elements of first row with corresponding elements of first column. A11 means 1 into 1, the sum of products 1 into 1 plus the sum of 2 into 4. First row with first column, the sum of products of elements of, in generally, ith row with corresponding elements of jth column, it gives Aij element of AB. Next, first row second column 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Next, second row with first column that is 3 into 1 plus 1 into 4, then 3 into 0, 3 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Lastly we get a into b. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 1 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Next 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 1 is 4, 7. 3 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1. It is our A into B. Product of A into B is also a matrix. That is 9, 2, 7, 1. In this case, product of these two matrices is 9, 2, 7, 1. I will find one more product. Matrix A equal to 0, 2, 2, 0. It is one matrix. One more matrix B. It is 2, 0, 0 minus 1. Let us find A into B. A into B. In this problem, I will write directly. First row with first column gives A11. Means first row with first column. Or else I will write one more step. That is 0, 2, 2, 0 into second matrix. That is 2, 0, 0 minus 1. Multiply first row with first column. It gives first element of A into B. That is 0 into 0 into 2, middle plus 2 into 0. First row with first column gives A11 element. After that, first row with second column. That is 0 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. First row, first column, first element. First row, second column, A12 element means second element. Next, second row, first column. That is 2 into 2 plus 0 into 0. Next, second row, second column. Second row, second column. It gives A22 element. That is 2 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. Lastly, we get 0 minus 2, 4, 2, 0, 0. It is our A into B. Product of two matrices. Next, suppose A and B are two matrices. Suppose A and B are two matrices such that AB is defined. Means A into B is possible. Then B into A may or may not be defined. A and B are any two matrices such that AB is exist, means defined. AB is exist, then BA may or may not be exist. If AB is exist, then BA need not to be exist. May or may not be exist. Next, properties of matrix multiplication. Properties of matrix multiplication. If A, B and C are any three matrices such that their product is defined. Their product is defined. Then first property, A into B is not equal to B into A. in general. For all the matrices, AB need not to be equal to BA. Means matrix multiplication is not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. But matrix multiplication is associative, not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Then A into BC, matrix multiplication is not commutative but it is associative. A into BC equal to AB into C means matrix multiplication is associative. Matrix multiplication is associative. Then third property, matrix A into identity matrix, standard notation I. Matrix A into I or I into A, it gives A only. This law is known as law of identity or identity law, where I is called additive identity, multiplicative identity. A into I or I into A value is equal to A. This is known as law of identity, where I is multiplicative identity. Next, AB is equal to BC is not implies A equal to C. In matrix multiplication, cancellation law is not holds good or cancellation law is not applicable. AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC, then A is not equal to C, means cancellation law not holds good. Next, if A into B equal to null matrix, suppose A into B means product of two matrices equal to null matrix, then what you conclude about A and B? Suppose product of two matrices equal to null matrix, then what you conclude about A and B? A into B is equal to 0, product of two matrices equal to 0, either A is null matrix or B is null matrix or both are null matrices or both are null matrices or A into B equal to 0 means either matrix A is 0 matrix or matrix B is 0 matrix or both are 0 matrices means both A and B are null matrices. And one more point, their product is 0 even A and B are non-zero matrices or A and B are non-zero matrices or A and B are non-zero matrices. If A into B is 0, then both the matrices are null matrices, or one of them is null matrix, or both are non-zero matrices, then also product is 0. Product is 0 when A is 0 means matrix A is 0 or matrix B is 0 or both are zeros or both are non-zeros. If given two matrices are non-zero matrices, then also product is 0. I will write one example. Product of two non-zero matrices is equal to 0 matrix. Matrix A is 0, 1, 0, 2 and matrix B 1, 2, 0, 0. Clearly both are non-zero matrices but their product is 0. Matrix A is non-zero matrix, matrix B is also non-zero matrix, but their product is clearly zero. A into B, A into B 0 1 0 2, B equal to 1 2 0 0. Sorry, A into B, directly write matrix B 1 2 0 0. Just usual multiplication, multiply first row first column. First row with first column it use A 1 1 element. 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. After that first row second column 0 plus 0. Why? Because 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. After that second row in first column, that is 0 plus 0, again 0 plus 0, then we get 0 0 0 0, means a null matrix. If A into B is equal to 0, even A and B are non-zero, then also their product is 0. Not necessarily A and B are 0 or both are 0. If A and B are non-zero matrices, then also product is 0. Not necessarily A and B are 0. It is very important property. It is cancellation, means cancellation law is not holds good in matrix multiplication. Identity law, associative, but it is not commutative. Let us discuss some problems on matrix multiplication. If matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 0, matrix B equal to 1 4 9 0, then find A into B, means product of matrix A and matrix B. A into B, replace matrix A, that is 1 2 3 0, matrix B 1 4 9 0. We know that matrix multiplication, multiply first row with first column, multiply first row with first column, it gives A 1 1 element. I will write clearly, 1 first row with first column, first row with first column, that is 1 into 1, or else you can write directly 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 1, plus 2 into 9, first row with first column. After that first row with second column, we need A 1 2 element, its position. Next element position is A 1 2. 1 2 means multiply first row with second column. If you want A 2 2, then multiply second row with second column. If you want A 3 1, A 3 1 means multiply third row with first column. If you want A 2 4, element A 2 4, then multiply second row with fourth column, and so on. First row with first column, it gives A 1 1 element. Next, first row with second column, it gives A 1 2 element, that is 1 into 4 plus 2 into 0. First row with first column, it gives A 1 1 element. First row with second column, it gives A 1 2 element. Next, second row with first column, we get A 2 1 element. Position is 2 1. Then multiply second row with first column. Second row with first column, it will be 3 into 1 plus 0 into 9. Next, second row second column, it gives A 2 2 element. Second row with second column, it will be 3 into 4 plus 0 into 0. Next, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 into 9 is 18, 1 plus 18 is 19, 1 into 4 is 4, plus 2 into 0 is 0, 4 plus 0 is 4 only. Next, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 0 into 9 is 0, so 3 plus 0 is 3 only. 3 into 4, that is 12, plus 0 into 0 is 0 only. We get 12. It is A into B, matrix AB. Next problem. Next problem. Find AB if matrix A equal to 2 1 3 2 minus 1 plus 1, and matrix B equal to 1 0 1 minus 1 2 1. In this case, we should find A into B. Find AB if matrix A and matrix B are given. First, check whether AB is possible or not. Just look at their orders. What is order of first matrix? Clearly we have 3 rows and 2 columns, so it is of 3 by 2 matrix. And similarly look at order of second matrix. What is order of B? Clearly in matrix B we have 2 rows and 3 columns, so its order is 2 by 3. Means number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix, means AB is possible, means product AB is possible. Then what is the order of AB? Order of AB is 3 by 3. A into B. Order is 3 by 3. Same procedure only. Multiply first row with first column, it gives A1 element. Matrix A 2 1 3 2 minus 1 plus 1. It is matrix A. Replace matrix B 1 0 1 minus 1 2 1. Now same procedure only. Multiply first row with first column. First row with first column, it gives A1 element. First row with first column, it gives first element of AB. Multiply first row with first column, means 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. First row with first column gives A11 element. What is next element? A12. A12. 1 2 means multiply first row with second column. First row with second column, it will be 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. First row with first column, it gives A11. First row with second column gives A12. Similarly, first row, third column. In this case, in the second matrix, we have 3 columns. So, first row with third column gives A13 element. First row with third column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Next, second row, first column. Next row for second row. Second row, first column means 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. What is its position? Second row, first column. That is A21. Second row, first column. A21. Second row, first column. After that, second row with second column gives A22 element. That is 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Second row with second column, it gives A22 element. After that, second row with third column gives A23 element. Second row with third column. second row, third column, A23 element. A23 means multiply second row with third column. It gives 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Then next go for third row. Multiply third row with first column, it gives A31. Third row with first column gives A31 element, that is minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1 into plus 1, 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1. First row, sorry, third row with first column. After that, third row with second column. Minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Lastly, third row, third column. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now usual simplification. Lastly, we get A into B. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. Or else write one more step. 2 minus 1, it is 0 plus 2. 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 1. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2. Why? Because 2 into minus 1. After that, 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 2 is 4. Next, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 1 into plus 1, clearly minus 1. Again 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1, plus 1. Therefore, matrix A into B is 1 because 2 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, plus 2, 0. It is our A into B matrix. Next problem. Next problem. If A is equal to, matrix A equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2 3, matrix B equal to 4 1 3 minus 2, find AB and BA. Sometimes both AB and BA both are defined. In this case, both A into B and B into both are defined. Solution. In that first one, we need to find A into B. Replace matrix A. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, minus 2 3. Replace matrix B. It will be 4 1, 3 minus 2. Again same procedure only. Multiply first row with first column. In this problem I will write directly. 1 into 4 is 4, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. After that, first row with second column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. After that, second row with first column, it will be minus 8 because minus 2 into 4 plus 9, 3 into 3. After that, second row second column, minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now usual addition or subtraction. It gives 1, 3, 1 minus 8. It is our A into B. Similarly, we should find BA. In this problem, both AB and BA are defined. Means both are exist. Sometimes both are may or may not be exist. But in this problem, AB and BA both are exist. BA, first write matrix B. 4 1 3 minus 2 What is matrix A? Matrix A is 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. Multiplication. First row with first column, it will be 4 minus 4. First row with first column, 4 into 1 is 4, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. First row with first column, it gives a 1 element. First row with second column, that is minus 4 plus 3. And next, second row, first column, that is 3 plus 4. Why? Because minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Then second row, second column, it will be minus 3, minus 6. Lastly, we get B into A, that is 2 minus 1, 7 minus 9. Just look at AB and BA. AB is different from BA, both are unequal. Hence, in generally, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Next problem. Next problem. If matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, second row 2, 3, 4, third row elements minus 1, plus 1 and 2, and matrix B equal to 0 to minus 1. First row elements 0 to minus 1, minus 1, 3, 4, 0, minus 2, minus 3. Find AB and BA. Find AB and BA. In this case, we should find A into B and B into A. In that first one, A into B. A into B is equal to, replace matrix A, that is 1, 2, 3. Second row 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 1, 2. Replace matrix B. Second matrix 0, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 4. 0, minus 2, minus 3. Same procedure only. Multiply first row with first column, it gives A1 1 element. Either it is 3 cross 3 or any order. If AB is defined, then multiply first row with first column, it gives A1 1 element. First row with first column, I will write directly. 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 3 into 0 is clearly 0. Multiply first row with first column. After that, first row with second column. First row with second column. The sum of products of elements of first row with corresponding elements of second column gives A12 element. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. After that, first row with third column, minus 1, plus 8, minus 9. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 4 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Next go for second row. Second row, first column. 2 into 0 is 0. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 4 into 0 is 0 only. After that, second row, second column, it gives A to 2. Second row, second column. 4 plus 9. Why? Because 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. After that, second row with third column. Second row with third column means it gives 2, 3 elements. A, 2, 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Next go for third row. Multiply third row with first column. It gives A3 one element. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 0 is 0. After that third row with second column. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Last element minus into minus plus 1 plus 4 minus 6. Lastly we get AB. Matrix AB is minus 2 plus 2. Why? Because plus 6 and minus 6 get cancelled. Clearly 9 minus 9 is 0. Minus 3. Then 5. Next plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. Minus 2. Minus 1. Minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3. Then minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 1. This is our A into B value. Similarly we can find B into A. Try yourself. B you can find. Thank you.